Protein drinks are now everywhere, but here's the real question. Are you drinking protein smart or just drinking more of it? Protein is having a big moment now, and for good reasons. People want it for muscle, fullness, recovery, for weight control, especially now with medical shortcuts for weight loss, which make people eat less. Good nutrition matters even more. But more protein doesn't automatically mean better health. Liquid protein might be useful when food intake is low, busy mornings, after exercise, older adults over 65, poor appetite after illness. But protein drinks should support meals, not replace real food all day. This is my smart protein rules. Rule number 1, dose matters. Most people only need 20 to 30 grams per serve. More is not better. Rule 2, timing matters. Protein drinks work best after exercise, between meals, when appetite is low, not as something you sip all day. Rule 3, read the label. Watch for added sugar, artificial sweeteners, and ultra-processed filters. Protein plus junk is still junk. Rule 4, match protein to your gut. Whey is fast and effective, but many Asians tolerate plant proteins better due to lactose intolerance or dairy allergy. So get a dose, and you're training right, and plant protein builds muscle just as well as milk protein for most people. Some people get bloating or tummy cramps from pea, soy, or fava bean protein. Rice protein is often far better tolerated, but whey protein can cause the same symptoms if you're lactose intolerant. Bottom line, listen to your gut. So let me show you a smarter way. In the morning, keep it simple. Just add a scoop of pure collagen protein to your coffee. It dissolves easily, no heavy digestion. Research shows collagen may support joints, skin, and connective tissue. Option 2, after a workout, liquid protein really shines. Here's a simple formula: 20 to 30 grams of protein powder. I personally use a low-salt plant-based protein, 500 to 700 ml of fluid, half water, half coconut water. Add ice cubes if you want, a handful of frozen berries, or half a banana. I'll add 1 scoop of plant-based yogurt or a slice of avocado for healthy fat, and 1 level tablespoon of raw oats for carbs. Blend it, and this is not just yummy drink, it's a real meal. You get protein for muscle recovery, carbs for energy, good fats for satiety, and fluids for hydration, plus natural sweetness and flavor for real food. The key point: protein drinks should support meals or replace 1 meal a day if needed, not replace real food all day. Use well, they're powerful. Use mindlessly, they're just calories. So drink protein with purpose. Stick to simple, natural ingredients. Get the timing right. You can customize your own protein shakes. And if you've got a great recipe, please share it. I'm always curious. I'm Dr. Kiat. Let's keep going heart to heart always.